Meet the Soundcore Glow, a speaker designed to light up your world with both sound and style. In today's video, I'll unbox and review this eye-catching device, and you'll get to experience its audio magic through immersive binaural sound samples. I'm Alireza and you're watching Arma Tech. Before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. If you don't, the glow might dim out of sadness. It told me personally. Let's peel back the wrap and see what surprises await inside this striking piece of tech. Let's go for it. Immediately upon opening the box, we find the instruction manual, which, let's be honest, most people treat it like a gym membership. You have it, but you never touch it. Let's go and see what's inside. Well, the speaker is wrapped in a plastic bag and the USB cable also. Let's open it. Well, this is the magic we've been waiting for. The device feels substantial and premium in hand, heavier than my motivation on weekdays. The USB-C cable is medium in length, which means it will reach your charger unless your outlet is behind your bed. Then nothing will save you. And that's all we have in the box. Let's dive into the design. Like the Flare series, the overall shape of this speaker resembles a fit and flare dress. Elegant, stylish, and honestly better dressed than most of the celebrities at the Met Gala. But there are improvements. One thing that caught my eye immediately is its new logo on the front and its unique material. It feels high quality, almost like clinical rubber. Something feels premium when you touch it and think, should I buy another one just to look at it? It is rounded with high quality fabric that protects it from scratches. Unless you throw a knife at it, then may God help us all. On the top, there is the RGB LED ring light, which is pretty damn beautiful. If you turn on this in a dark room, your friends will think you are hosting a rave. All the control buttons sit on a plastic circle. Volume and play and pause are in the middle of the circle. They are in gray color. On the top and bottom, there are two crescent-shaped grooves. One houses the power and illumination buttons plus a power status LED. The other has the Bluetooth and PartyCast buttons with another LED indicator. It's organized, clean, and way simpler than my Premiere Pro timeline. On the back, we have a strap branded with Soundcore that helps you hold the speaker, though I wish it were longer and adjustable so everyone could wrap it around their wrist. Right now, it's just like I'm a strap, but just barely. Below the strap, there is a flap covering the USB-C charging port and AUX input. Yes, AUX for few survivors out there who still live in 2013. Respect. By the way, covering flaps can get annoying. JBL solved this long ago with exposed ports. JBL want everyone else Oh, turn the speaker, and on the bottom there is a silicone rubber pad with the Soundcore logo. Very premium. And this pad is surrounded with transparent RGB ring with directional lights, and this light show is honestly more fascinating than anything I've ever seen on a speaker this size. I even prefer it to the JBL Pulse series. Please don't tell JBL, they'll block me on Instagram. It's IP67 rated, so you can take it to the pool or even the beach. The passive radiators are not exposed, meaning no accidental destruction. But if you treat the ring lights roughly, you might leave some tiny scratches. Don't do WWE wrestling moves with it and you'll be fine. Considering the design, I'm giving this speaker the honor of being the best design speaker of the year, at least for now. Now let's go and talk about its specifications. Well, it's time to talk about its specifications. This speaker has a fairly unique driver setup, a huge 2.5-inch down-firing full-range transducer placed face to cone to disperse sound evenly, two passive radiators that shoot out the sides. This makes it a powerful 360-degree speaker that gives you an immersive listening experience all around its surrounding. Basically, no matter where you stand, this speaker says, "You shall hear my bass." It also has BassUp mode, which enhances the bass for a more enjoyable listening experience. Turn it on and your table starts vibrating like it's possessed. However, it has only one driver, so the sound is mono. As someone who enjoys channel separation, left channel, right channel, none of that here. Just hello darkness, my old friend. But thanks to Bluetooth 5.3, TWS, and PartyCast 2, you can get a stereo by syncing two of them together. Of course, that means buying two. Capitalism strikes again. In terms of application support, the Soundcore application supports this speaker fully. You can use sound presets, play with a 9-band EQ, toggle bass up, toggle PartyCast, control lighting effects, adjust the volume, play and pause, update the framework, and even turn off the speaker remotely. Turning off the speaker remotely from the bed, that's peak laziness, and I love it. There is also an EQ mode, which extends the battery life, or as I call it, please don't die before the party ends mode. Speaking of battery life, Soundcore promises 18 hours of playtime on a single charge, but that's with lights off and volume around 50%. Turn the volume up to 90%, turn the lights on, and realistically, you are looking at around 7 hours. Still pretty good, honestly, longer than most modern relationships. One feature that they have put into this speaker, and I really appreciate it, is its internal microphone that lets you use this speaker as a speakerphone or voice assistant and make this speaker very versatile. So, considering its rival, the spec helps it stay competitive. But winning the gold medal won't be easy. Now it's time to start the party and listen to the sound of this gorgeous speaker. If it disappoints me, I just pretend it didn't because it looks too good to stay mad at.
Artlist IO. Music licensing reimagined. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Loving you makes the stars shine brighter. Yeah. One step closer to the halo. Yeah. We are what we yes, we rule our own domain. Yeah. Keep our heads up high.
Music licensing reimagined.
Loving you makes the world spin faster. Yeah. Ain't enough days in the week for us to kiss. Oh, we are explorers, we're seeking higher places. Oh, pulling on the reins when we find our home again. So swinging,
Artlist.io.
so swinging, so swinging, so swinging. So swinging, so swinging, so swinging, so swinging.
Artlist.io.
Loving you makes the stars shine brighter. Yeah. One step closer to the halo. Yeah. We are what we yes, we rule our own domain. Yeah. Keep our heads up high.
Music licensing reimagined.
Loving you makes the world spin faster. Yeah. Ain't enough days in the week for us to kiss. Oh, we are explorers, we're seeking higher places. Oh, pulling on the reins when we find our home again. So swinging,
Artlist.io.
so swinging, so swinging, so swinging, so swinging, so swinging, so swinging, so swinging.
Don't know the time. I'm letting go. Artlist.io.
Someone alive, I feel alive. I think you know we're getting down, we're getting low. We're getting down, we're getting low.
Music licensing reimagined.
We're getting down, we're getting low. Don't know the time. I'm letting go. I wanna find someone alive. I feel alive. I think you know we're getting down, we're getting low. We're getting down, we're getting low.
Artlist.io.
Don't know the time. I'm letting go.
Artlist.io.
Someone alive. I feel alive. I think you know. We're getting down. We're getting low. We're getting down. We're getting low.
Music licensing reimagined.
We're getting down. We're getting low. Don't know the time. I'm letting go. I wanna find someone alive. I feel alive. I think you know. We're getting down. We're getting low. We're getting down. We're getting low.
Artlist.io.
We're getting down. We're getting low. Party all night. Oh, party all night. Going till the dark skies. Oh, party all night. Oh, party all night. Oh, party all night.
Wow, did you actually listen to it? Or did you skip the sound test? Because if you skipped it, congratulations, you just lost half of your life. So do yourself a favor. Go back, listen to it properly, and leave a comment down below telling us what you think. Come on, don't be shy. Even this speaker is waiting for your opinion. But if you're too lazy and just want my verdict, here it is. The sound is superbly immersive and powerful, carrying Soundcore's signature EQ tuning. With bass up, turned on, it delivers heavy bass, pronounced mids, and crisp highs. However, and here comes the honesty, the audio is still mono, so the staging feels compressed. This is exactly where its predecessor had the upper hand because their stereo setup provides a much wider and more impressive soundstage. So yes, it sounds great, but the soundstage is basically like standing in a small room instead of a concert hall. Well, it's time to wrap up this video. To conclude, I'd say this speaker is like a glamorous lady who didn't get accepted into a PhD program, but already has master degrees in aerospace engineering. In other words, extremely impressive, just not perfect. When it comes to design, it's really hard to beat. That stunning light show is honestly in a league of its own. The battery life is average, but the connection options, Bluetooth 5.3, TWS PartyCast 2, and the AUX input are nearly perfect for a speaker in this category. Its sound quality is powerful, immersive, and excellent for parties and gatherings. But let's be honest, it's not hi-fi. It's built to make you dance, not analyze Beethoven. All in all, for around $80, this speaker delivers a ton of value, and I would definitely recommend it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit the like button and ring the bell and subscribe to my channel so I can keep making videos like this. Thanks for watching my video. Take care. Goodbye.